I'm Monique Pickram with the Houston Public Library, and this is Adulting 101. Today I'll be teaching you how to fold a fitted sheet. All you'll need is your sheet and a flat surface. Let's get started.
So first you'll need your fitted sheet. This is a twin size fitted sheet. You're going to find one of the seams on the inside of the sheet. That's the seam here. Then you're going to find a seam on the opposite end of the sheet and fold them together like this. So one seam is going inside the other seam. And now you have this seam corner here. Now you find another seam and do the same on the other end of the sheet. So find a seam, tuck them into each other. Now you have two corners, and the bottom part of your sheet should be a fold. So now you're going to turn one seam, one corner inside out, and tuck it inside the other corner. Now if you lay your sheet flat, you'll have one straight edge where there's a natural fold, and then a wonky edge where your corners meet, where you've tucked your corners into each other. You're going to try to make the folded edge as straight as possible, and then on the corner where your seams are, fold that part to make a straight line. So now you have a rectangular shape with your sheet. Then you're going to fold that rectangle in half and then fold it in half again. And you have a folded fitted sheet. Thank you guys for joining us for Adulting 101. See you next time.